Hey everyone, Elizabeth here from Adelsheim. We are coming to the end of week 2 of quarantine. It's crazy to think about, and honestly the weather this week has been pretty on again, off again. Today it was pretty crazy rain, and so all I wanted was something really comforting and warm. So tonight we're going to make cow soy. It's one of my favorite curry soups, Thai curry soups, and we're going to pair it up with one of my favorite staples of Adelsheim wine. Now there are a couple of reasons why I really enjoy our Pinot Blanc. The first is because David Adelsheim introduced this grape variety to the United States back in the mid-80s. The second reason is it's under screw cap, which makes it extremely convenient to enjoy. And the third is it's clean and crisp. It has a lot of orchard fruit and can really pair up with different foods that might have a little bit of heat to them or are just very spiced and flavorful.